Hello, so are you new to sport betting and want to learn how to start right away, avoiding terrible mistakes and maximizing your wins? In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to start betting like a pro. So stick around to the end for key strategies that will help you maximize winnings. If you're serious about learning betting secrets, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more betting expert tips. Before you start placing bets, you need to understand the basics of sport betting. So, what is sport betting? It's the act of predicting sport results and placing money on the outcome. Sounds simple, right? But there is more than just guessing. Types of bet you should know. Moneyline bet, when you bet on who will win a particular match or an event. Handicap, the favorite team have to win by a certain margin. Over under, betting on a total number of goals or runs or points in a game. Let's say you bet on total over 2.5 goals, over 2.5 corners, over 2.5 points in basketball or volleyball, over 77 points or under 77 points as the case may be. Both teams to score. BTTS, a popular football bet where both teams have to score for you to win. If you don't understand these basic betting types, you might be throwing away money, so just take your time to learn them. Now that you've understand the basic betting types, the next thing is choosing a reliable betting site.